This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming active termites and prioritizing safety. Put on gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if label requires it. Ventilation matters. Once done, read the Revenge label carefully for mixing ratios and re-entry times so you don't underdose. Mix only the measured concentrate into the sprayer with clean water, keeping the nozzle sealed until needed. Start at an exterior perimeter point where mud tubes meet the foundation and apply a continuous trench treatment while maintaining steady pressure. You now treat the core infestation by applying product into trenches and voids. Once trenches are open, spray a continuous band of treated solution along the foundation and under sill plates. Saturate soil but avoid runoff into waterways. Make sure to treat all entry points including cracks, plumbing penetrations, and wood-to-soil contacts. This creates a chemical barrier. Move methodically from one segment to the next, maintaining overlapping spray patterns so no gaps remain. Recheck pressure and concentration every 10-15 minutes to stay consistent. You finish by rinsing equipment and securing leftover product per label instructions. Never dispose of concentrate down drains. Once treated, backfill trenches after the recommended waiting period and restore landscape to prevent erosion. Monitor with monthly visual checks and bait/inspection stations at 30, 90, and 365 days. If you still see active mud tubes or new damage, make one follow-up application exactly as directed or contact a licensed pest professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.